Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The technology innovations to drive the future of Indian telecom. India is contributing significantly to the next generation of telecom services, with companies collaborating to broaden solutions. Private networks are expected to see a huge demand from enterprises in the near future across industries such as healthcare, education, fintech, e-commerce and entertainment. Though the spectrum auction is expected to happen in the second half of this year, the buzz around 5G has gained momentum over the last few months. The fifth generation or 5G telecom services are set to be rolled out in selected cities in India in 2022. The cities which are set to get the 5G telecom services in 2022 include Gurugram, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chandigarh, Delhi, Jamnagar, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Pune and Gandhinagar. Leading telecom service providers, that is Bharti Airtel, Reliance Jio and Vodafone Idea, have established 5G trial sites in these cities. These metros and big cities would be the first places for the launch of 5G services in the country. While 5G services will allow telecom players to generate additional revenue streams, especially from the enterprise and digital services segment, it is widely expected to come at a huge cost. The biggest chunk of the additional costs will be the price of airwaves companies will have to pay in an auction. Telecom has played a significant role in bringing a change in consumer usage pattern. Data availability has pushed more and more digital services to the end user. To prepare for 5G well in advance, the Department of Telecommunications is considering using street furniture to densely deploy 5G telecom infrastructure to overcome right-of-the-way challenges following a proposal from a state electricity board. The new committee under the department is looking at the viability and the quantum of state-owned infrastructure for making it available for 5G small cells deployment. Apart from the leading telecom operators and smartphone manufacturers, the government is also involved actively to facilitate the rollout of 5G services. The Department of Telecom has roped in leading research institutions for development and testing of 5G technology. IoT will continue to shape consumer experiences and live by the promise of an interconnected world. The enterprise service portfolio is bound to expand exponentially in areas such as smart homes, utility meters, autonomous vehicles, asset tracking and security, amongst others. Going forward, the rollout of high-speed broadband through 5G and satellite broadband will see the convergence of the telecom ecosystem and significantly affect the lives of a billion Indians. It will pave the way for bridging the urban-rural divide across sectors including banking, healthcare and education. India is also poised to be at the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution with the integration of information technology, operational technology and telecom infrastructure will find possible business prospects to produce new revenue streams. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Code of Practice released for securing consumer IoT. The telecommunications engineering sector under Department of Telecommunications and Ministry of Communications has released a report Code of Practice for securing consumer Internet of Things as a guideline lined up with global standards and best practices in order to secure consumer IoT devices. The report is expected to be used by IoT device manufacturers, service providers, system integrators and application developers, among others. Udaan raises $200 million via convertible notes. Business-to-business e-commerce platform Udaan has raised $200 million in debt changeable into equity along with $50 million as debt. The fundraise reflects Udaan's strategy of broadening the capitalization as it explores a public listing. The company said that the convertible notes will get converted to equity when Udaan's next fundraising round happens or when it goes public, and investors will get equity shares at a relative discount. Xiaomi India gets Rs 653 crores tax evasion notice. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence has issued 3 show cause notices to Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi India for demand and recovery of duty amounting to Rs 653 crores under the provisions of the Customs Act 1962. During the investigation, searches were conducted at the premises of Xiaomi India, which led to the recovery of incriminating documents indicating that Xiaomi India was offering royalty and license fee to Qualcomm USA and to Beijing Xiaomi Mobile Software Company Limited under contractual commitment. Fractal becomes unicorn after raising $360 million. Fractal, the US-based artificial intelligence firm, became the second unicorn in 2022 with an investment of $360 million from a private equity firm TPG Capital Asia and secondary share purchase from funds advised by Apex Partners. As part of the transaction, TPG's Puneet Bhatia and Vivek Mohan will join Fractal's board of directors. Fractal Analytics provides artificial intelligence and advanced analytics solutions to Future 500 companies. Cashy raises 140 crores from TSLC. Online lender Cashy has raised rupees 140 crores in funding from Singapore-based fintech firm TSLC, bringing its total balance sheet size to over rupees 800 crores, out of which rupees 500 crores was raised via debt from private banks and NBFCs. With this fresh capital, the company will continue to boost its profitability, enhance its existing product lines such as the personal loans, BNPL, credit line and embedded card business. Chairman and founder of Cashy, V. Raman Kumar, said that the new capital infusion reflects a meaningful maturity level of Cashy's balance sheet, profitability and business model. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.